How to download account statement from Fifth Third Bank. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official Fifth Third Bank website at 53.com. Log into your account using your user ID and password. Next, navigate to the account section in your online banking dashboard. Select the account for which you want to download the statement. Then, look for the Statements or Documents tab within your account details. Choose the statement period you want to download, such as the last month, last 3 months, or a custom date range. Click on the download button or link to save the statement as the PDF file to your device. If you have any trouble downloading the statement online, you can call Fifth Third Bank's customer service or visit a local branch to request a printed copy. Downloading your account statement regularly helps you keep track of your transaction and manage your finances effectively. And that's it. Now you know how to download account statement from Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.